سلام یوتیوب چاروکم، من نام فاروق نو یک بلوچ گیمریم. ये हम अवली वीडियो है मोती कनाल तो का अपलोड करने के शुरू वास्ता गेम प्ले मॉडर्न वॉरफेयर 2 लाइव ना फैलान तीन चार दिखे लाइव में मुसाफी करें। उम्मीद है कि मैं गेम प्ले शुमारा पसंद भी मैं वीडियो अगर शुमारा पसंद भी लाइक भी करने हो शेयर हो बोले शेंगी करने होती संगत रफीका नहीं कर रहा मैं चैनल हम सब्सक्राइब भी करने हिमायत भी करने दिखे तभी तो ने वीडियो आए बेहतर गेम आए गेस्टर शुमार से गेम प्ले ये कहीं देखिए पहले गेम प्ले या मुझे वाफर तो है वहाँ दिए गेंदे خب هم شروع کمپین مدرن وارفر 2 हैं بعد کمپینی هم چارا ویدیو مولتی پلایر آنلاین هم چارا میگه که من وات حقیقت گیشتر مولتی پلایر لایو کنم حالا فعلا داستانی با هم دیگه لایو کنیم بعدا گوڑا شما اصلا مولتی پلایر گیم پلی هم یر کنیم. خب برو که بریم بعد پلتفرمی هم که من لایو اکی انجام دیگم PS5 دیگه گیم پلی هم دوتون بهترین کیفیت شما سریع بکنیم.
I'm eyes on.
What do you see?
Armed personnel, armor and hardware, all Russian.
What the hell are the Russians doing with Gorbrani?
Supplying Iran. It's an arms deal.
You copying this, Shadow One?
Affirmative.
جنرال گوربانی که بگوشگین در واقع ایرانیه. جنرال ایرانیه که نیروهای روسیه دا دستان یه داده نداره شاید بدن منظوری کنی از جنرال ایرانیه یعنی هدف همه جنرال ایرانی گوتی دار دسته یعنی
Visual on General Gorbrani.
خب تارگت گتی
Shadow One, you were cleared hot for launch.
Roger that, actual. Ghost, you are danger close to the zone. This arrow is going to pack a punch.
Copy approved. Send it.
All stations, Shadow 1. Missile is ready for immediate delivery. Stand by for launch. Coordinates in. Target designated. 2, 1. Guard out! Missile in blue.
الان باید میکروفون برام بودم عدد چکتا ولی باید در ریت که چران کنه کمون که برو بردن رادار گرم متوجه بیم
Right in the pocket. Stay with it.
Check. Coming in hot. Brace for impact. Time to target. 5 seconds. Termination in 3, 2, 1.
چی شد؟ نلگه؟
Target acquired. This will take some manual guidance to hold her. Missile bearing northeast at 065 degrees at Mach 3. Altitude 500 meters.
فکر کنم این شمارش که کو من باید اما شمارش رو بجتی صبر کو باز
Right in the pocket. Stay with it.
Check. Coming in hot. Brace for impact. Lead the target. 5 seconds.
Termination in 3, 2, 1. برو target destroyed.
Direct. Target destroyed.
Come in. Laswell.
General Shepard.
Oh, I know that look. Are we at war?
You would be the first to know, sir.
Damn right I would. Talk to me.
We have a hit on Gorbrani's second in command.
Hassan Zayani, Quds Force Major.
He's taken up the mantle for Iran.
Supplying terrorists.
Money, weapons, intel.
Well, he's ambitious.
He's dangerous, sir. He
خب
wants
یه نفر
retaliation for the
ایرانی
Gabrani
مثل این
strike.
که
He's
سلاح
planning something.
مهماتشان تروریستانی
can't
واسه
take
تهیه
him in
کنیم
Iran.
نیامایی رنده هم به نام حسنین.
He's not in Iran, sir. He's on the ground in Al-Mazrah.
What the hell is he doing in Al-Mazrah?
There is only one way to find out, sir.
Well, let's get him.
برین گرینشی
What time is it now?
کدی گوشی هنیشه تیمه بچه ها
Who do we send?
کدی هم بده
Wheels up in 5. Roger. Marines are loading in now. You and the sergeant are leading the way on this. The sergeant? Soap and Tavish. Let's get ourselves a win, yeah, LT? Save your seat, sir. Fuck.
اوه چکن گستی
Ghost, you copy? Yes, sir. Any issues? Negative, sir. Out here.
Airstrikes are hitting enemy positions bordering Al-Mazrah. Intel confirms a concentration of AQ fighters converging in the valley. We believe they're protecting something. Surveillance indicates soldiers guarding 3 structures. Major Hassan may be holed up inside. Ghost and Soap will lead a Marine Special Operations unit to kill or capture Hassan tonight. One helo will insert 2 teams at separate offset points bordering the target area. Bravo team will sweep and clear buildings 1 and 2. Alpha team takes building 3. All shooters have execute authority, but we want Hassan alive for interrogation. Be advised, Major Hassan is AQ's lifeline. If he is there, they will die for him. Good hunting.
Bravo team offloads here. Alpha team stays on board to land downrange. Both teams meet in the middle. Remember, we want Hassan alive, but this is capture or kill. Keep up, Soap.
Razor 1, all Bravo deployed. Secondary HLT. All stations, Racer 1 is bracketed. We're getting lit. Incoming! Flares! Flares!
helicopter ja.
Second missile!
Jate
We're going down! We're going down!
teka.
Alpha, what's your status?
Alpha status چیه؟ crash بوده.
Alpha, how copy?
چند بده نگم.
Alpha is immobile. Multiple critical. Shit! We're taking effective fire! Alpha, we're moving to building 1. Hold tight.
Ghost, we need to secure that crash site now.
First we clear for Hassan. That takes the heat off Alpha. Then we secure the crash site. Clear?
Roger that.
Let's move.
یه واجه کار سرا به گوست.
Force up to the house.
4 نفر داخل میشی.
We trap. Sweep through.
First deck clear. Negative on Hassan. Copy that. Second deck's clear.
Roger.
Contact! Building 2!
They know we're out.
سرا نر
Bravo. Move on building 2.
باید بریم بزنیم که
Crash site is taking rocket fire from building 2! Second deck!
Alpha, taking building 2.
وين المساعدة؟
Sergeant,
Come here.
second structure now. لا تخلوا هالولاد الكلب ياخذوكم عايشين.
7-1, moving interior.
چیه؟ آودگر
هم من جوا المبنى.
کیه؟
7-1, moving to second
اضربوا
deck.
الصواريخ. انا لا احمل بال.
خب بریم برای چلی چی کنه تو
I'm hit.
Where are you? Come here.
There's one in that hallway.
چی کنه که تو؟
Ghost, enemy rockets
یا
down.
کلام فلاش جناور
Together, we will avenge the death of General Gobrani. Somebody...
Ghost, building 2 secure.
World courts!
Roger, time to hit the crash site. Got a video for signing here.
Come here.
Son's their hero.
You good, mate?
Yeah, plate stopped it.
نشان
These
ایران و
fuckers
پنجره
ain't
دانه
Aye. Now we can secure the crash site.
All Bravo, circle up outside.
Ghost, so AQ's got some real kit.
Soap,
put
we're
it-
moving to
put
the
it-
crash site to
sure.
help the wounded. Rest of you, hold here and cover us.
put it.
Raj,
Alpha 02, Bravo 07, building 2 secure, coming to you.
Alpha
چیز
copies
بچه
all.
یعنی
Expect contact. AQ's waiting for us.
بریم دیما دیگه
Blue, blue!
blue
Damn good to see you guys. We got 5 KIA, 1 wounded. It's just my gun. I'm low on ammo. Help me move him.
ناره کنی
No time. They're here. Get your gun on that tree line. Got movement.
کنی تو
Shooters at the wall.
You called it, LP.
RPG! Fuck! Get your gun up.
Come here.
Getting close.
Oh,
Drop a rat. Dusted.
come here.
X-ray down.
Get in front.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. خب بدرو مرتم
We clear. For now. Stay sharp on that tree line.
در امانیم گوشی گل فعلا
They're still moving out there.
7-6, call for fire. I want close air on that tree line.
نمیتونه دیر
Raj,
کنیم
calling it in.
Coming.
بچه تاچ
Dewey's hit. Man down. He's dead. Keep your gun in the fight.
بچه کله جانه اینجا موضوع که خودی را کنم خوشته
Pick him up.
کتتم خب برین چرم بارین
No movement.
No
Good soap.
movement کسی
I'm good.
میفرم
2-3 got hit. He's gone.
7-2, I need you up here now.
Raj, moving.
Ghost, we should fall back to the house. Negative. We clear this position and push. If Hassan's still here, he's out ahead. 7-6, patch us through to air support.
Raj, stand by.
7 actual, Kilo 01. Fire is 1 mic out.
Kilo 01, you're cleared hot on anything forward of our position. Danger close approved.
Roger that.
Shit, what now?
LT, we got armored vehicles incoming. There's 4 of them.
Conserve your ammo. Let them get close.
Here they come.
Stand by to engage. Get ready. Cut them down!
Hassan turned HQ into a fucking army!
Это... Очень зрение.
All Bravo, Kilo 01 is inbound hot. Danger close.
Air support's on station!
One, Kilo 1 has...
Kilo 01, gun hit! Gun hit!
We clear?
Kilo 01, no movement in the area. Thanks for the assist. Roger that,
Flash.
7-6. Kilo 01, going into holding pattern. 7-6. Task a bird for casualty evac. Raj.
Aye. Let's go get this fucker.
Roger that, Lieutenant. Let's move out.
Those fuckers used us as bait, didn't they?
Yes,
They're well supplied and fighting smart. Thanks to Hassan. Aye. Looks like you were right, LT. You think Hassan's still here?
Heli crash gave them an opening. Let's see if they took it. Visual on building 3. That's our target. Hassan could be inside.
Fuck! Man down!
HQ sniper on the roof. Get down! So, take out the shooter. Rest of you stay low until we're all clear.
Who's hit?
Sniper down.
7-5 is down.
How the fuck are they seeing us? AQ's got night vision. We're sitting ducks out here. Got another. Good shot. So, keep us covered. Moving up. AQ's pressing hard. If Hassan's not here, what the hell is it? We're getting shoot up out here! We're not getting through here without our support.
7-6, I want fire on that building now.
Ghost, we don't know if Hassan's in there.
They're forced in our hand. 7-6, hit that building, but don't level it.
Kilo 01, over fire. Target is in the building. Do not level the building.
7-6, copy that. Making our run.
Close up to that wall. Move!
Engaging!
Kilo yakat pada.
Glorious sight.
Pudri ko pada. Shivani hawai rate koi.
Thank Christ for air support. Yeah, hope the sign's still in one piece. Several pieces will do. Easier to find that way. All Bravo, move up. I want this building locked down. Lead us in, Sergeant. Let's find Hassan, dead or alive.
7-1, moving interior. Fucking hell.
Check the bodies. We need positive ID on Hassan.
Shit, manager. كتير بيضايقني. خب. تمام.
Drop one. Negative on Hassan.
Heading into the first deck. Negative. No eyes on the HVT. Negative. No visual on Hassan here.
Nice.
كده وطاطو.
SS neutralized. Pushing first deck.
Heading up to the second deck. Pushing to second deck. Got 2 X-rays. The sun's everywhere. Everywhere but here. Threat eliminated. Heads up, lads. Sneaky little gets are everywhere. Hostile down. Poke around, soap.
Look around, yeah.
Look, Hassan's uniform. So he was here. Lost him when we secured the crash site. Are you saying we shouldn't have helped? Choices have consequences.
All Bravo, we got movement out here.
On the way.
For movement
All Bravo, circle up outside. If Hassan's gone, then what the hell are they still protecting? Let's find out.
What we got? A warehouse. Roll up doors open. Heard something inside. Copy. Let's clear it.
Contact!
Ne gideyim o? Mer. में team वाले जंग मत देखो वाले मुझे जंग देगा कुछ खशाबों
We clear?
How was it clear?
Let's find what they were hiding.
This warehouse wasn't on the intel.
यार कसम
What the fuck is this? It's all in English. Steaming Jesus. Ballistic missiles. Some launcher. Will go 1,000 miles. Yeah, at least. Who the hell did Iran get their hands on this? 7-6. Get us through to Laswell.
Roger, stand by. Bravo 7-6 Charlie to Watcher 1. How copy?
This is Watcher 1, send traffic.
Laswell, this is Ghost. We got something.
Tell me you found Hassan.
Ghost. Take a look at this.
Ghost, do you have Hassan?
Negative. We found a weapons cache. Hassan's got missiles. They're American.
07, this is Gold Eagle. Actual, repeat your last.
I'll say again. Hassan has American missiles.
All right, clear the room.
Let's go. Everybody out, now.
درود رایدن نجوتا
Iran is in possession of American missiles.
American missiles in AQ's hands.
Hassan has been passing out our ballistic missiles like it's fucking Halloween, and we didn't know about it?
Gives Iran plausible deniability.
Oh, deniability my ass. Iran's all over this. I want to know how many they have and where they intend to use them.
If Hassan is moving missiles, he has a
شما لطف بزنید نشان دارید چه موشه که
I would
هستیم کجا
advise
لطف
you to
استفاده
find out who that is.
Give my team 2 hours with those missiles, sir. I will know everybody who's ever breathed on them.
Negative. I want them destroyed.
General, there's
there's
valuable intel there.
This is an intelligence failure, Laswell. It's not going to be a tactical one. There will be 500 enemy soldiers on that site by sunrise. We need a win fast. Gold Eagle Actual to Ghost. Move your team and call for fire. I want those weapons destroyed.
Roger that, Actual.
Amsterdam.
What the hell's Amsterdam got to do with this?
It's a smuggling hub. Ports and canals are insecure. Iran has friends there. We do too.
Who?
The captain. He's tracking an AQ cell in country as we speak.
Well, that's the first good news I've heard all day.
I'll link up with him and handle this myself, sir.
Kate Laswell back in the field?
I want this done right. No mistakes.
My sentiments exactly. Kate, I want Hassan boxed up and gift wrapped. Until then, you keep this tight.
Naturally, sir.
What's your ETA?
Less than an hour. Where are you now?
Canals. Under a bridge, watching an AQ boat.
Is it carrying a missile container?
Negative. Not this one.
Well, let's hope it leads to the one that does.
I'll be in touch. Guys. You set?
Good day, Cap.
Let's get after it.
از رفتن واسه واقعی کمه مردم روشن میکنه
خب یه قسمتی اما به قول مرحله اولا به مدرن وارفر 2 با هم دیگه لایک کو مرچی واسه حالا پارت 2 هم گرین شما سیر کنی